Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Today we are from group 19. We are going to present about the application of instantaneous phase and instantaneous frequency for understanding the channel system in B field Malaysia. So without further ado, I will continue with the abstract of this project. In this project, the geological basin that we choose to study is Ladang Barat in Malay Basin, which is situated in Peninsular Malaysia. It is located 123 miles from Kuala Terengganu, and this project will study the effect of applying instantaneous phase and instantaneous frequency to improve the channel detection in the seismic data. Instantaneous phase is a seismic attribute which is independent of the amplitude and can show continuity and discontinuity of events very well. So in this case, it can help to better visualize the channels in the seismic data. Meanwhile, for instantaneous frequency, it is defined as the time derivative of the phase, which is also known as the rate change of the phase. This attribute represents the mean amplitude of wavelet and can also be used to indicate the bed thickness. Okay, next, I will continue with the brief of methodology. Okay, so in this project, it is generally done by 4 main steps. The first one is to choose the desired group of formation to do the study. Next, to pick the top and the bottom horizon. Make the surface map using the top and bottom horizon. And lastly, to apply specific attributes to trace the geological features. For the workflow is presented in this flow chart, as you can see here. So for the first step is we need to do a seismic well time, and then we can choose and pick horizons in the area that we are interested in, where in this project we choose group B, and then after all the horizons have been picked, we produce a surface map, and then we continue with applying the attributes, instantaneous phase and instantaneous frequency. And then by applying these two attributes, we can compare and we can find the channels that are present in these two seismic data. After the channels have been detected, we can compare the results using the two attributes, which will produce two data, which is in this case, these two, instantaneous phase and instantaneous frequency. And lastly, the conclusions can be drawn, and the results and discussion will be further explained by my colleague, LUQMAN.
Thank you, Ms. IZZAH, for the brief introduction and methodology on how we use on successing this project. Now, move on to the gist of the project, which is the results and discussion. Just like what Ms. IZZAH said just now, we did pick the horizon on the upper part of the seismic interface. The white one here, as you guys can see, this is a phase before applying any attributes. With this, we can detect and trace with our naked eyes with only 8 number of channels. Next, according to our title of the project, which is using an application of instantaneous frequency and instantaneous phase for tracing any channels. This one, the green one you can see here, it is the effect after we apply the volume attribute, mainly instantaneous phase. As you guys can see, we can trace 14 Mandarin channels that we have been highlighted in black. The next one here, the instantaneous frequency. This is the picture of the effect after we apply the instantaneous frequency. The red one here shows the information and give information to the interpreter, which is the thickness of the surface that we use. With this, we can trace and detect 15 Mandarin channels, which is more one number of channels compared to the instantaneous phase just now. With this, it is proven that by using instantaneous phase and instantaneous frequency, which is in the family of volume attribute, it is really helpful in assisting the interpreter on detecting geological features, mainly channel. Thank you, Dr. Mawan, for assisting us throughout this project. Without him, this project will not be a success. In conclusion, we all managed to achieve all the objectives that we have stated just now, which is by using instantaneous frequency and instantaneous phase to tracing geological features such as channels. With this is the end of our reports. Thank you. Bye.